The average weight for a truckload of ductile iron pipe is 40,000 pounds. McWane Ductile shipping staff arrange each shipment so that the truck is carrying 2 balanced bundles of pipe, the required gaskets, pipe lube, and other accessories. Drop shipments, where a single truck can deliver portions of the load to several different locations, are often utilized in the interest of shipping cost efficiency and customer convenience. Safe delivery begins with proper loading. Forklift operators work with a ground guide to place one bundle at a time on the trailer. Each bundle is secured with timber, bands, and chocks. Once the bundles are in place on the trailer, additional strapping is applied by the truck driver before leaving the yard. Truck drivers are limited to 11 hours of driving time each day. Shipments are frequently delivered in less than 3 days to a job site or distribution center because McWane's manufacturing facilities are located in New Jersey, Ohio, and Utah. This means faster delivery times, reduced shipping costs, and low environmental impact. It is then the recipient's responsibility to safely unload their pipe from the truck.